Hello, again I am here to explain you the new topic, and that is Mendelism. Mendelism means work of Mendel. His complete name was Gregor John Mendel, and Mendel for the first time performed the experiment on heredity. Now we have a separate branch of biology in which we study only about heredity and variation, and that branch of biology is genetics. Genetics. So for his experiment, Mendel selected pea plant. Pea plant. Its botanical name is Pisum sativum. Botanical name is Pisum sativum. Why Mendel selected pea? Because of certain reasons. In pea plant, a large number of varieties are there. Some plants are tall, some plants are short, some are having red flower, some are having white flower, some have yellow seeds, some have green seeds, some have round seeds, some have wrinkled seeds, some have terminal flower, some have axial flower. So a lot of varieties are there. And pea plants are annual. They complete their life in one season. So definitely in next season we will be able to get next generation, and further next season we will be able to get further next generation. So we can obtain the results very quickly. This plant can be pollinate by selfing as well as by crossing. Both processes are can be done in pea plant. That's why Mendel selected pea plant. Actually, when the work of heredity is done, work of genetics is done, it is done by making crosses. Two varieties are taken and these two varieties are allowed to cross. By crossing, the next generation which is obtained is F1 generation, first filial generation. Then by self-pollination in the members of F1, we obtain F2 generation. So by this process of making crosses, we can study the process of inheritance of characters. If we focus the inheritance of one particular character, then that cross is called monohybrid cross. And when we consider the inheritance of two characters together, then it is dihybrid cross. So by making monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross, the Mendel proposed certain principles. Actually, the general appearance of characters, that plant is tall or dwarf, it is having red flower or white flower, that is called phenotype. Phenotype. So phenotype is the physical appearance. You know, the characters are controlled by genes. The genes which you have, that particular character you will show. Suppose you are having brown eyes, it means you are having genes for brown eyes. If you have gene of blue eye, then definitely your eyes will be blue. So our physical appearance is due to genes. Genes are present on chromosomes, and chemically genes are made up of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So whatsoever type of genes you are having, or any person is having, any individual is having, that particular person will show that type of characters only. The genes can be a dominant gene or recessive gene. Dominant gene or recessive gene. The gene which show its effect more we can say, which is more powerful. It is a dominant gene. And the gene which which shows its effect only in the presence of recessive gene, then that gene is recessive. For example, character is height. Character is height. There are two contrasts of this character, height. Height can be tall, height can be dwarf. Right? I am saying that tallness is dominant character, dwarfness is recessive character. These genes are represented by alphabets also. Tallness, dominant, it is represented by capital T. Dwarfness, recessive gene, it is represented by small t. Because we are having chromosome in pair. We are having chromosomes in pair. So definitely genes are also present in pair. If someone is having capital T, that person will be tall. If someone is having small t, that person will be dwarf. But if someone is having capital T and small t, having gene for tallness as well as dwarfness, then the height should be, it is tall. Why it is tall? Because tallness is dominant and dwarfness is recessive. Right? So, two types in each character, two contrasts are there. One is dominant and one is recessive, represented by their particular alphabets. Then in next video, we will discuss the principles of Mendel, which he derived by making some monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. Thank you.